I'm sure you guys can tell by today's title and thumbnail that we have an Ipsy unboxing. We have the Ipsy plus the Ipsy Ultimate Box right here. I absolutely get so excited whenever they send over the Ultimate Box because 9 times out of 10, these boxes are fantastic. So you guys want to see what I got this month? Are they still worth it? Well, then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty, so before we dive into today's video, y'all, I just have to say, I always forget that I have like an affiliate link with Ipsy. I don't have a code, just a link. And y'all, oh my God, after what, since 2020, your girl finally made her first $15. I am so excited, $15, y'all. I saw that, I was like, oh my God, this is the first time I think any of my code has ever been used. So thank you so much, whoever did that. I got 15 bucks, you guys. I got 15 bucks that I'm definitely putting back towards you guys for a random makeup item to throw into a giveaway box. But either way, I'm so ecstatic. I thought that was actually really cool. So we're going to dive into this month's Ipsy. Now, this is the Ipsy Glam bag. I think this retails for like $14 or $15 a month. They never give me a price point, so I have to just kind of guess. And whenever I want to go look at a price point, it always wants me to like sign up to get a price point, and I don't like want to sign up just to see how much it is. So anyway, we're gonna have the Ipsy Glam bag right here. First off, this is a really cute leather pinky bag, and on the inside, let's see what we have. So the first thing we have in here is, this sounds empty. This is a pencil eyeliner from Beauty Volt. It says eyeliner can be easily resharpened. Okay, wait, is there something? This sounds empty. Okay, there it is. So we have a pencil eyeliner, and I don't know what shade. It looks like it's gonna be like a metallic purple. Ooh, it is going to be metallic purple. That's actually really cool. Never heard of this brand, but I'm always down to try out different eyeliners because I love eyeliners a lot, especially colorful eyeliners. So that's actually really exciting. Next, we got something from Haus Labs. Oh my God, wait, is this the mascara? Okay, wait, we got a mini Haus Lab volumizing and lengthening mascara. If you guys don't know, I actually really did enjoy this mascara. I actually have 2 of them sitting in my drawer behind me. I think they're absolutely fantastic. I did pay for them. I did pay for it myself. It does a really great job at lifting and giving volume to your lashes, and you actually get to have that in here. This is actually really cool. That's exciting. Okay, next, there is a Dear Midnight. This is going to be a dried roses. I think this is going to be a lipstick. I want to take a look at this. Hold up. Ooh, it is a lipstick. Let me see if I can swatch it. Wow, that is actually really, really creamy. It almost looks metallic though, and I'm not the biggest fan of metallic lipsticks, but I will say that's a really pretty color red. Ooh, never heard of this brand before. Next, there is something from, looks like Deluxe. This is going to be a lipid rich face moisturizer. I've heard of this brand, and I don't think I'm saying it right. I said Deluxe. I don't know if that's what it's called, but this is going to be a face moisturizer. I believe this is actually sold at Sephora, if I'm correct. And we have a little mini travel size. I don't even say that's mini. That's a definite travel size right there. So that's actually really exciting. I'm definitely interested in checking that one out. And then finally, this includes Versed. This is going to be the Daily Dissolve Cleansing Balm. I really do love Versed. You could actually find Versed at Target or like your local drugstore. I find mine at Target. They're a wonderful brand. They make really affordable skincare products that actually do work. And I'm so excited to see this in here. I've not tried their cleansing balm before, but I definitely want to because I'm all about trying out different cleansing balms. Like right now, I have a new Murad one that I'm trying out, and so far I'm really enjoying it, and that's how this one's going to look right here. And it has wait, this low-key kind of smells like Vicks Vapor Rub with like a sweetness to it. What is that? It's like a spa lavender Vicks Vapor Rub. Is it bad? I'm kind of for it. Like I'm kind of for that. I love the small Vicks Vapor Rub, so like sign me up. But that is what we got in this month's Ipsy Glam bag. I honestly think it's a pretty decent match. A pretty decent mix. You got a little bit of skincare. The rest is going to be makeup, and I think it's a really, really, really good mix. So that's really exciting. Now, obviously, we're going to go into the Ultimate Box right here. This box comes out every 3 months. I believe last time I checked, it did retail somewhere around this $60 value. I do know that if you guys are a Ultimate member, you guys do get to curate and pick some of the items in your box. I do think it's great they allow you to do that. I have no idea what we have in here. I don't even know if someone's curating it or not, if they're still doing that, but I'm so excited because I love checking out the Ultimates because they're always so much fun. Oh, wait, this is the Ultimate. Wait, are they not? Does that mean they're not doing the icon box anymore? Is it now switching to this? Let's find out. Let's find out. Hold up. Oh, wait, no, they are. Okay, this is the same thing. It's just now called the Ultimate. Okay, so who is featured this month? This is by this beautiful girl. Who are you? Oh, wait. I'm confused. Hold up. Okay, it says the Ipsy Ultimate is a premium quarterly subscription delivering 8 full-size celebrity curated beauty boxes worth up to $400 for $65. So I was not wrong on the price, but it comes out every February, May, April, and November. It says celebrity curated. So I'm assuming they're no longer doing Icon, they're doing Ultimate. Okay. I'll know this for next time. I'm so sorry I'm not prepared. I don't know. So there's supposed to be 8 full-size items in here. You spend $65 and you get to curate. So let's see actually what we got. So the first thing that I see is from Fable in Maine. This is the Wild Ginger Purifying Scrub. This exfoliates the scalp with pink Himalayan salt. And I would definitely love to try this out. I would love to have like a scrub for my scalp, especially because like I have really oily hair and really oily skin. Shocker, I know. So anything I can go in and like really clean out my roots, I'm definitely all for. So let's see how this looks or how this smells. Ooh. Oh, wow. Okay, wait. Wow. Oh my God, y'all. This smells like rich people hair. Do you guys remember when I used to get my Shiseido, my Rich People moisturizer that I used to be obsessed with years and years ago? I always called it my Rich People Skin Moisturizer. That's what this smells like. A rich people hair scrub. I wouldn't know. I wouldn't know, but this, we can fake it till we make it, y'all. We can fake it till we make it. This smells incredible. Holy crap. I am definitely going to be trying this tonight. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Ah, wait, it says you want to use this in place of shampoo. Apply, is this supposed to be like in place? Rinse thoroughly, follow with Fable Main Conditioner or hair mask. Use once a week. Well, why can't I just use shampoo afterwards though? If you guys ever tried this, let me know, but that smells incredible. Okay, up next there is a Lilith. This is a high definition gel eyeliner. It's going to be in dual shades. It looks like between, oh my God, I almost dropped that, Jesus, pink and blue. I told you guys I love trying different eyeliners. Oh, there's actually 2 of them in here. So this is how it looks. Let me see if I can. Okay, looks like you have a smudger brush on one end and you're going to have the eyeliner on another. Wow, this is such a microfine tip. Holy crap. And it looks almost identical to the exact same shade that I just swatched in my hand from the Glam bag. That's actually really cute. Okay, wait, let's see the blue one. And we have a deep blue one right there too. Nice. Like I said, never heard of this brand before, so that's exciting for me. And I love the fact that it does come with like a little smudger, like this little brush right here you can actually brush it out with. That's actually really nice. I like that. All right, up next, there is something from Kevyn Aucoin. This is the Kevyn Aucoin Indecent Mascara. Ooh, it's going to be in a black shade. And I've never tried this mascara before, and this is how it's going to look. Not my favorite wand size, but I'm definitely really interested in checking this out. I'm curious to see if they have like price points in this little thing, because sometimes with my Icon box, I used to be able to see stuff, but then like I couldn't always see stuff. So I'll see if I can find all the price points to see what the value of this box actually is. But that's actually really cool. I really want to try more products from Kevyn Aucoin, so that's exciting. All right, next there is something from Bisha. This is going to be the Essential Rice Water Makeup Primer. So it's going to come in this little fancy bottle. I'm curious to see what it's going to look like. Okay, so it looks like this. And it feels very wet. Has no scent to it, which is really nice. I don't really see it on here, but I'm really curious to see how this primer is going to work, especially because I have really oily skin. Would a primer like this work for me, like a rice water primer? Never really heard of that. I don't know if there's like any information on here because it's not saying anything on this paper about it. So I don't know. I don't know, but that's really cool. That's exciting. We'll have to check this out. I'll have to like look it up online to see if like is this good for oily skin. It says right here, this is a skin-loving rice water primer designed to prep, plump, and perfect. Powered by fermented rice extract and hydration-boosting glycerin, this luxe formula blends a softy silk base that locks in moisturizer while smoothing texture. So it's supposed to give you a radiant look. So I don't know how well this is going to work for my oily skin. All right, up next, there is something from St. Jane. This is going to be the Rich Rescue Photo Mucin Cream. It visibly smooths fine lines for plump, glassy skin. It's like they know. On here, this one says it's $45, and it says the hair mane is $36, but I can't find anything about the Kevyn Aucoin mascara or the other two products. But this is supposed to be a mucin cream. I wonder if I can smell it. I have a smell. This just says that this deeply hydrates. It's a breathable, buildable. It's a silky, breathable moisturizer that cushions skin for a calm, silky dew. Interesting. That's something if I wear this, I'd have to wear this at night because it would not do anything for my oily skin at all. It would, if anything, it might accentuate it. All right, so up next, there is something from Rodial. This is going to be the collagen drops. This is a collagen replenishing concentrate. So this right here retails for $95. Oh my God. It's lightweight yet potent. These drops restore bounce and firmness for nearly awakened complexion. So this is how this product is going to look. Holy shit, that's expensive for what it is. Oh my God. It smells really nice. Okay, I've only ever seen this brand inside these boxes. I've actually never seen them in store. I'm not saying that they're not fantastic. I just only ever seen them in here. But $95 for collagen drops. We're gonna have to try this. Okay, so inside here, we actually have two Charlotte Tilbury products. We have a Charlotte Tilbury Matte Beauty Blush Wand in the shade called Pillow Talk. And then we also have the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. This is a highlight brush in the shade Pinkgasm right here. So I believe I actually tried out this product years ago. This is not revolutionary or new. On here, this retails for, so this right here retails the blush, the set. Oh, it's a set. The set retails for $84 in total. So this is how the blush is going to look. And then we also have the highlighter too. The highlighter is a pink one though, which is very interesting because it's like probably going to be deep pink. It's going to look like so. Kind of cool. Like I couldn't tell you guys the last time I ever saw a Charlotte Tilbury box featured inside these boxes. So it's actually really cool to start to see a name brand. I'm not saying the rest are not because I know that Fable Main is, but the rest I haven't been too familiar. I'm not too familiar with. So it's kind of nice to see two Charlotte Tilbury products in this box. Then lastly, we have something from NARS. This is going to be the lipstick in the shade called Larson right here, and this is going to retail for $42. Let's see what this shade looks like. Oh, that's a really pretty shade, and it's super creamy and silk. That's really pretty. Okay, so in this box we got a total of 5 makeup products. We have 5 makeup products, 1 hair care product, and then we also have 3 skincare products in here. So definitely a really equal balance. Is this my most favorite box from them? No, surprisingly it's not. Like, I don't know why. There's other, like, I guess ultimate or like icon boxes that I feel like have been absolutely fantastic. This one's good. Like, don't get me wrong. I feel like you definitely are getting your money's worth. If you spent $65 on this, you definitely got your money's worth for sure. And I do believe you get to kind of pick and curate because there's some items in here that I don't even see that you can definitely kind of pick what you want. Like you have like some Tatcha products, Grown Alchemist, you have Makeup by Mario, you have Laura Mercier, you have some NARS eyeshadow palettes. You definitely have kind of a pick to choose through. But overall, I think it definitely is worth the price point. So, oh my God, Ipsy, thank you guys so much for continuing to send these to me. I thought I kind of like fell off with you guys, but you guys started to resend me stuff and I'm so excited. I do have an affiliate link. Like I said, it'll be linked down below. I don't know if it saves you guys anything, but thank you to whoever did sign up. That was actually really sweet and like made my day. So, but don't feel obligated to do that, by the way. Do not feel obligated to spend money just because. Like, seriously, like save your money for you. Like, I'm not kidding when I say that. So anyway, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 3 to 4 videos every single week. Make sure you guys have my other channels are for life. You guys get to see my cool, wonderful adventures, my amazing husband, Corey. And as always, the biggest thank you goes to these beautiful, wonderful page members you guys see here. Thank you guys so much for everything. And to my subscribers and viewers, thank you guys so much for being here. Whether you guys like this video, you guys thumbs down this video, you guys subscribed, you guys did not subscribe. Either way, thank you guys so much for being here. I love and appreciate each and every single one of you. So with that said, guys, I love you, and I'll see you guys in the very next video.